Do swimming pools freeze solid in the winter? Well, I mean, it depends on where you're located geographically, but I'm located in Ontario, Canada, or I've done a lot of work on swimming pools in Ontario, Canada. And no, swimming pools do not freeze solid. Above ground swimming pools, I mean, could potentially, if any were going to, those would be the ones that would freeze solid. But even they don't. They might develop a foot or two of ice at absolute most in the coldest of areas on the surface layer. But typically speaking, the lower levels never freeze. And that's so reliably true in ground pools that part of the winterization process even often involves things like you take the pool light out and then you purposefully sink it to the bottom of the pool. You weight it down with a bag of rocks or something like that, and you sink it to the bottom. And you do that because the pool light is made to be, submersed in water all the time. That's not a problem. Freezing could be a problem, but if it's at the bottom of the pool where water never freezes, well, then you never have a problem. And that's exactly what you do when you're winterizing a swimming pool light for most swimming pools. So the answer is most swimming pools do not ever freeze solid. In-ground pools essentially never do. Above ground pools potentially could in the most extreme of cases, but even still, no, I don't think so. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.